sa Happy Church through all these years, 34 years, you have been faithful. And we know, Lord, that your faithfulness is from everlasting to everlasting. This will not only last after 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, and even thousands of years, because you are our God who is faithful forever and ever. So, mo ni akong hisgutan karon, the harvest of righteousness. I believe nga with the vision nga atong giimplementar, winning souls and making disciples, kinahanglan po na siya og provision. With the vision, there needs to be a provision. Kining harvest of righteousness, mga kaigsuunan, mo resulta ni ang atong mga paghatag sa buluhaton sa Ginoo, muani kini og pagkamatarong. I would like to emphasize today, turning unrighteous mammon to true riches. Nga ato ning magamitan sa tinuod nga kadato, which is winning souls and making disciples.
I'm gonna praise, I praise the mountain moving body, raising breaker of chains. Gonna praise, I'm gonna praise, I praise the heaven seated, undefeated, highest of names. That's who I praise. Hey, that's who I praise. That's who I praise.
Kabubuton sa Ginoo nga modato ta, you will be made rich. Gusto sa Ginoo nga i-entrust ni sa inyong mga kabut. And I believe God is going to raise up hundreds of millionaires ni ini nga simbahan.
I'm gonna praise, I praise the mountain moving body, raising breaker of chains. Gonna praise, I'm gonna praise, I praise the heaven seated, undefeated, highest of names. That's who I praise. Hey, I praise that God has proven He can do impossible things. That's who I praise. Hey, that's who I praise. That's who I praise. That's who I praise.
Today, brothers and sisters, himuon nato nga ang atong pagtanom will result into the harvest of righteousness.
Live like I've got no more precious time to waste. I'm gonna give Him glory with all my things, 'cause there's no greater, stronger, higher name, and that's who I praise.